This video will demonstrate communicating with an iCCU-S or a -C with the same front panel using Wi-Fi with an Android device. So you have two ways to set up your intersection with the iNavigator two-wire system. You can use Bluetooth to a button with an iOS app, Android device, or a Windows laptop or PC/tablet with a Bluetooth dongle, or you can use the Wi-Fi capabilities in the iCCU-S or -C. So you can see on the front of my iCCU-S, the first menu item lit up says Activate Wi-Fi. So you press Select and that will launch Wi-Fi. Now coming back to my app, on my Android app, I first need to activate and connect over Wi-Fi. So I click on my Wi-Fi and you can see here it says iCCU 3. It's picking up my iCCU, and because I've already established communication with it, when I click on it I won't need to put in a password, but for the first time establishing communication, the password is all caps default with the number 1. So now I'm connected with the device. So if I go into my Polara Field Service app, you can see here the Wi-Fi symbol showing my connection to the iCCU. I can click on that, put in the password. Now I'm connected over Wi-Fi and can program my intersection. So I can look at push button stations. Firstly too, I may want to program the cabinet ped interface. So you see here I have the standard 4-channel, which would be using our 50-pin harness that allows you to place your calls through cable number 2 and receive your ped interval timing from cable number 4. You also have your SDLC option, where you can pick up your ped interval timing directly from the controller over SDLC by matching your load switch assignments, and then still using the 50-pin harness with cable number 2 to place the call. Or you can go to full SDLC BIU and do both using the Polara iCCU as a BIU, where you select your detector BIU assignment 1 through 4 and then you match your load switch assignments. So if I go back to the menu, you see I have my push button configuration settings. So this is where I can program the whole intersection, the buttons, or I can just talk to one button. So if I had more than one button, I would be able to see the buttons there. But if I want to make a change to a button and increase the locate volume, click OK, and I can either click up here and save to all buttons, or I can just write to this button. So this is just the basic connection video of how to communicate over Wi-Fi with your Android device to the central control unit. Once you disconnect, that will turn off the communication between your device and the CCU, and then you would just go to the menu on the front of the CCU and disable the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi will time out after 5 minutes of non-use.